Good morning, family. Peace and blessings. I pray everyone is having a blessed day, a blessed and productive day. I just wanted to drop in real quick and share a small piece of my journey with you again. You know, my journey began in the vibrant streets of Brooklyn, New York, where the hustle was not just a way of life, but a path to realizing dreams. Raised in a family that embodies the spirit of entrepreneurship, ambition, a deep-rooted belief in the power of faith, I personally was instilled with the values of hard work, resilience, and the importance of building a legacy from a young age. Moving to North Carolina during my high school years, I carried with me the dreams and the drive from my Brooklyn roots. Always knowing that I wanted to make a significant impact, not just in my life, but in the lives of others. My passion for networking, finance, and marketing, combined with the desire to empower and uplift, led me to none other than the Legacy Builder Program. The Legacy Builder Program was born out of the mind of the great visionary, Mrs. Michelle O'Neal, to help individuals unlock their potential and create a lasting legacy through the power of networking, network marketing, and financial education. It's not just about building wealth. It's about creating a community of like-minded individuals who are committed to personal growth, financial freedom, and making a positive impact in the world. My mission: to guide and inspire others to build their own legacies, leveraging the power of networking, education, and the revolutionary capabilities of AI and online marketing. By sharing my journey and the lessons I've learned along the way, I am to empower others to take control of their financial future, meet new like-minded people, travel the world, and ultimately build a massive network of leaders and visionaries. The Legacy Builder Program is more than just a business. It's a movement towards creating a world where everyone has the opportunity to achieve their dreams and leave a lasting legacy. Let's embark on this journey together, family. Unlocking our potential and networking our success. So if you're looking for something real, you would like some more information, the only thing you have to do is comment info or comment blueprint, and I will immediately send you the information that you need, explaining everything to you for the free. It costs you nothing. It's best to be informed than not to be informed. This is a program that will not only teach you, but it will also change your financial reality. This is not what you're used to. I know it's a lot of, programs out there, a lot of internet, work from home, all this other stuff. I see it just like you see it. But this is real, family. Y'all have a blessed day. Drop info or blueprint, and you will immediately get the blueprint for free. No credit card or nothing needed at all. Ain't no red tape. Peace and love, family. Thank you for listening.